Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 14,372 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with Vance and Hines slip-on mufflers, smoked front turn signal lenses, an aquatic AV multifunction head unit, lift-to-ride fuel door, and a luggage rack. From Harley, it comes equipped with cruise control and reverse. The FLHTCUTG has long been the standard in full dressers, and the TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic is no exception, providing the same experience on 3 wheels. It's powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor and puts an even 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission, with spacious storage, gracious accommodations, and a vibrant ember red, sunglow, and merlot paint set. This trike is ready for the road. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.